Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to improve your WhatsApp video call quality so your calls look clearer and run smoother. First, always check your internet connection. Strong Wi-Fi signal usually gives the best quality. But if you're on mobile data, make sure you have a stable 4G or 5G connection next. Close any apps running in the background that might be using your internet. Things like downloads, streaming, or cloud backups can slow down your call. On WhatsApp itself, head into Settings, then Storage, and Data here. Make sure Use Less Data for Calls is turned off. This option saves data, but reduces quality also. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Updates often improve call stability and fix bugs. Lighting can also make a big difference. Try to sit in a well-lit area, facing the light, so the camera shows you more clearly. And finally, if your call still looks blurry, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes changing networks instantly improves the quality. With these steps, your WhatsApp video calls will look and sound much better. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.